Thutha wa makaya kuma kuri anyiti itemi sekta-ini ya ukui megie gukanjwo gwa thabari cia utuku kumana kuongereka kwa mitino ya barabara, riu thirikari ni yaneire ati thabari icio ni igucokereria kwa ihinda ria ciumia igiri ciukite.
You have given us the various reasons.
Akirekereria ndumiriri ino hindi ria gwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igi ukui, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ukui Paul Mwangi augete sako iria cigwitikirio thabari icio no iri igukorwo ithurimitwo na ikahitukio ni ruhonge ruu.
I expect that we can lift the ban in the next 2 weeks.
The next 2 weeks?
Yeah, they'll
selectively.
Very selectively.
Hindi ya gikaro kiu ruhonge rwa traffic ni rwekorire hatika-ini thutha wa ruo kuorotwo makiririkana ati nio makoretwo magitheremia ungumania sekta-ini ya ukui, ona ningi kurekereria ikundi itari njitikirie kuruta wira sekta-ini yo.
The commandant, I think all that you gave us are excuses. Overspeeding, drunk driving, we know that. We know that. That's what you're supposed to address. So you're telling us you know the causes of accidents. You're not addressing them. You will all continue coming to sing to us the song of overspeeding, overdriving, and all that. Mr. Chair, personally, I think this is a group we should not have met. This is a group that should have gone to clean their house and come to us.
There is a problem with NTSA, the management of NTSA, and that's why we are saying the internal challenges. The operations of NTSA itself, there is a serious problem.
Agitetera ruhonge ruru, munene wa ruhonge rwa traffic guku bururi-ini Jacinta Kinyua nyaugire ni magutacokeria maabitha o ikinya ria kiwatho aria maritikigira ngari itakinyanirie ikiro gukua muingi.
About the non-performance, if a police officer does not perform, but we have a problem these days. Officers, you inflict them any disciplinary action, they run to court. Come with the letter, they continue working. That is compromising the work. Because even me as a commander, if such an officer is under me and still is, the court says he or she should remain in my place, the work will not go on well. There will be no respect. So something also should be done about that.
Mwena-ini wake mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya waki wa barabara John Musonik niaugire waki wa barabara ya Nairobi guthie Naikuru ni kurorwo weru makiria mwena wa Salga kuri andu aingi makuite kurumira mitino ya barabara.
That one will actually open the kind of the two, all the highway, actually the expressway all the way from Mombasa, from Nairobi, okay, from Mombasa all the way up to Mau Summit, and that should be able actually to also reduce drastically the accident issues.
Ihinda-ini riu kamiti ino ya bunge ni ihitite kunina wagagu na githagathago kiria gikoretwo kuo ruhonge-ini rwa ukui na ningi kunyita itemi hari kurehe mogaruruku ruhonge-ini ruu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njeta Kamau wa Mwangi.